Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet. This four-door hatchback has engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a steal with less than 3,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 127 miles per gallon in the city, and 108 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include convenience package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.